Hi guys, today I am going to show you OKX Exchange deposit and withdraw guide for beginners. So let's get started. First of all, you have to verify your account because without verifying you cannot do it. And once you will verify your account, then on the top left corner, click on these three dots. And now here, you will find the deposit and withdraw option below to manage assets. There is also an option of P2P trading if you are interested. So make a deposit, tap on deposit option over here and you will then select the asset you want to deposit. And the app will provide you with the wallet address that you can copy. Take a screenshot or share your code to receive your cryptocurrency. And if you want to continue to withdraw funds, tap on withdraw option and you will have to tap on the option to enter the recipient address manually, or also you can scan it. So this is how exactly you can deposit or withdraw on the OKX wallet app. But remember that first you need to verify your account, and it's the first procedure, and after it you can deposit and withdraw from OKX Exchange, and that's it.